Okay. Uh, June 21st, 6/21, 2024. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. About 1 o'clock. Yeah, I'm getting ready to call it a day and go to sleep. It's that time of day for me, and yeah. Feel better now that I've got cleaned up. Was moving a bunch more stuff out to the curb from the backyard, and yeah, I got a little bit dirty. Moved what was at one point a small greenhouse. Got it all, it fell apart, and I got it all picked up and put up and thrown into bags and towed it around. Also, the compost bin is out there and got stuff piled on top of it. And I got a few loads of the aquaponics gravel, the lava rock that I used for aquaponics. A few of the beds I had that were set up for doing that are emptied out and thrown out. Most of them, pretty much they've, after 10 years in the sun, yeah, they kind of degraded and the plastic's no longer usable. But the rock was, but I got a whole bunch more of it, and I'm just not stressing out throwing away 50 or 100 pounds of it. I just wanted it gone. So I got a bunch of that and some extra wood and a bunch of branches, and I got everything mowed again. Because, hey, it's raining around here and stuff's actually growing, which is, oh yay, so much fun. Oh, Williams, Philippines. I forgot to say that. Anyway, yeah, it's been a wee bit of a busy one. And, yeah, I did get a little bit done this weekend. Not as much as I would like to have, but I got enough done. And hopefully the city will accept what I've got done as enough. Oh, I got the mower tightened back up so the blade is actually still spinning, which is a good thing. Actually, I need to take and put some JB Weld on it and fix the part that broke, little tabs. But I just tightened it up as best I could, and we'll go from there. I can just keep tightening it. It still works to keep the blade on, so yay. Yeah, a little bit more done, and yeah, the had to air the wheelbarrow tire up again. It holds air for about a week or two, and then you got to air it back up. Hey, it cost me $3 at a garage sale. I've got my use out of it. And yeah, I'm still getting use out of it. I got a bunch of use out of it today and yesterday, so that's a good thing. Problem is, I'm tired of dealing with this stuff. I still got the tree in the chicken coop. Got rid of some of the beehive stuff that was already kind of rotted out. I've got more of that I want to try to get out. But the bees were fairly active today, and they didn't like me being over there. Yeah. And I didn't feel like arguing with them today. So the 3 other hives over there that are in that general area, I'll try to get them when it's earlier in the day, because you wait any time past about 8 o'clock and it warms up enough that the bees get active. And unlike over there in the Philippines, these bees, they sting. Yeah, they will definitely mess your day up if they are given the chance. So, yeah. Ugh. My dinner is trying to mess with me. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, the city should be happy. Like I say, I've been improving, the situation around here and getting things cleaned up. So some days I work inside, some days I work outside, some days I don't work. Gotta have a day of rest once in a while, right? Oh, I missed yesterday. Totally just did not get there. It is what it is. Some days, yeah. Anyway, I try to keep up on this thing on a pretty good basis. I ain't gonna say I'm great at it, but I get some done. And apparently, I'm on a positive track, just not a fast track. I hit 100 subscribers today. Thank you all. Yeah, there's a bunch of you. I don't remember all the names. I think the guy was Ronald or Roland or something like that today. And yeah. But I know there's a bunch of you out there. I just don't remember the names of all of you. Got a few that I'm used to seeing on the comments. So, but yeah. Anyway, it has been a fairly productive weekend. I'm tired. I actually got a bit of a headache. I think it had to do with that getting out there and stressing and the heat getting a little up. And trying to keep walking back and forth and not getting enough fluids in me. Because when I get inside and I drink a bit of water, most of the headache went away. There's still some of it, but most of it went away. So I think I just need to drink more water and yeah. But it is what it is. I probably should remember to drink more water while I'm outside, especially. I'm just not used to being, I'm a night guy. I'm wondering how I'm going to do this when I get to the Philippines. Swap from being the night person to the day person. I just don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I'll have to do that when I get there. I checked the analytics, and I'm doing about 18% female, the rest of you guys. And then my demographics, U.S. is number 1, Philippines number 2, India number 3, and hey, hello Netherlands. Maybe caveman's out there. But yeah, the Netherlands came in 4th, which is a good thing. What else was there? I don't remember. Anyway, like I say, I hit 100, and I'll keep trying to put these out on a pretty regular basis. My daily vlog, I'm trying to keep it up. Some days you just need to take and zero the day. Some days you just have other things that you got into. I don't know. Anyway, hope everybody's had a blessed day, and I hope your weekend is a great one. Mine's over. I gotta go to sleep now and wake up and go do the Evil W tonight. So you know how to mess up a Friday night, right? Turn it into Monday morning. Yeah. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. I hope you have a blast of a weekend. Blessings. And this is William from Williams, Philippines. And hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.